Hi everyone, hi Will fans.
It just happened.
I don't.
No.
He's back.
How are you gonna go? Hannah. It's really stupid. How are you gonna go? I don't know. That's all I needed.
Yes, you really do. I'm not even kidding. It's fine. He's back.
Okay.
Okay, I'm literally saying, I was literally thinking that. I'm not even kidding. I was thinking the exact.
Hey. How do you manage school and YouTube? And I like don't
Oh, I
know.
hate that question because I'm like, I don't.
No, that's what I'm gonna say. It's,
That is such a good quote.
She's pulling off her clothes in the bathroom. I'm standing in the hall, I'll be gone soon. Who did I think I was? And it's breaking up again. Telephone lines wrapped around my neck. I don't wanna think about anything you said. And now you're living in the south side.
This is the first time I'm talking in this video. Oh, by the way, I bought fake nose piercings. I'm gonna talk about this video and what it is. I've been doing so well. Over the summer, I was not doing well. And I think since like 6th grade to that summer, I just haven't been in a good place. I've had good days. It's not like I've always been sad, but I think in general, I was insecure. I wasn't myself. I didn't know who that was. Not to say that I do now. But so much good has happened recently and so much bad has happened previously to get to that good. I believe everything happens for a reason. Long story short, I've been doing so good. And I'm so happy that I get to say that because not a lot of 16-year-olds do. I just felt so happy and so lucky. And then a week or two ago, I've had like a little rough patch. It's just been rocky. And I think that sometimes I just take for granted all the good that happens in my life and all the incredible things that happen even in just 1 week. So I wanted to take a camera with me and just film things that made me happy throughout my week. And if you're feeling sad, I recommend you do the same thing too. You don't have to post it online. If you film a couple seconds of every good moment from your week, or if you keep a jar and every good moment that happens in 2021 you write on a sheet of paper and put it in this jar and then read it when you're sad or at the end of the year. It's like a highlight reel. I'm having a super good moment right now. I'm currently drinking one of the best coffees I've ever made. It's literally so good. It's snowing, it's a Friday, and guess who I'm DMing? Guess who I'm currently talking to? Damon Dominique, who is one of my favorite YouTubers ever, and I'm such a huge fan, and I'm literally talking to them about a video I'm making, which is just bizarre. Full circle moment for me. And some people are in much worse situations than I am, but I am very lucky to not have as much bad as I think I do in my life, and I don't want to get caught up on that. I want to remember the good, I want to think about the good, and I want to stay focused on the good. So that's what this video is. Also, I got a crystal necklace, and so I got this poster, I got that poster, I got that poster. I finally hung up my Goodwill prints, I got my disposables developed, and I got a new phone case. Today's gonna be a good day. Hi guys, I have an interview right now with my friend Jules, which I can link. I am so nervous. It's in 20 minutes and I am like freaking out. I don't know why I get so nervous about these things, but wish me luck. You guys can go watch it. Hopefully I don't ruin it and mess up.
Hi everyone, hi Will fans. Please subscribe, love him so much. And
Yeah,
watch
oh my God.
his interview on Jules TV.
For sure, it will be in the cards. Guys, I'm so excited.
Hello everyone and welcome to episode 5 of Jules TV. Next up, what is one crazy thing that you would put on your lifelong bucket list?
That's a good one. I have a pretty solid answer to this. I want to live in a van so bad. I want to like redo the inside. Do you want to?
Yes, okay, yes, like.
Oh my God, guys, that was literally so fun. Like so fun. Thank you if you were there for the live part. I gotta upload this video. I got a couple hours until that video's up, but I'm now working out like the little details with Carmen.
Yeah.
Shit, I just set it as public. I have to click save. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, that's not good. Oh, okay. Well, do I keep it? I don't put it back on private. Shit. Okay, thank God my followers are inactive.
Leave it. Wait, I can make mine public.
Yeah, okay. Sorry. Oh my God. I'm so thing before I post. No views 7 seconds ago. Oh my God, it already has a thumbs up.
Yeah, that's me.
Oh. I thumbs up my own videos too. Oh my God, it has 55 thumbs up.
Mine?
Yes.
Mine has 115. Yeah, but that's okay. It went up a minute early. That's
Already? Damn.
Maybe I think I'm finally starting to get you. She told me through her teeth and her perfume, I never wanna see you again. But in the morning, she's pulling off her clothes in the bathroom. I'm standing in the hall, I'll be gone soon. Who did I think I was?
I just woke up from a 2-hour nap. Can you tell? It was supposed to be 15 minutes.
That's how we do family. That's how we do family where I am from. Apparently not. Good call. Everyone was so sick of it. The pressure to dress up. You know, they begged me to talk to you, but I said, no, Claire will realize how miserable everybody is.
Wait, it just happened. I promise it just happened. Oh my God. Literally it just went up like 25 in like 5 seconds. Guys. That's so many people. What better ending to this video than me reminding you that I am and will always be more famous than you. On a serious note, so many freaking people, I can't even comprehend it. You guys are sometimes my only source of joy, and I will never be able to repay you for that. I hope you had a happy week. I hope all your weeks are happy. Cheers. Have a good one.
If I have one wish, it would be that I could give you just a percentage of the love you've given me. I could never match what you've given me.